Yo, hey guys, check out these Bullseye hubs in the blue-red combo. Pretty sweet. Hey, you can get any of these custom colors here at AmericanCycle.com. Just give us a call or order on the website, and we'll get you these. We'll do all the work you need to do to get one of these into your door. These are beautiful hubs, sealed bearing, old school, retro, any color you want. So yeah, let us know what you need. We got all kinds of Bullseye stuff in stock too. Cranks, hubs, stems, sprockets, clamps, whatever you need, guys. So we'll talk to you later, and have a great day. Thanks a lot.